Eastern Night Power. This is my Eastern Night Power bike check, so let's get started. I got Eastern PC pedals, 3-piece cranks, 25 teeth, sprocket, 9 tooths at the back. I got Wee-Man rims with Eastern stock spokes, Eastern tires. I got Eastern neck, ODI grips. I got Eastern stock handlebars. I got Eastern handlebars 27 rise. I got Eastern built-in seat clamp. The seat says Loca goes. I got Eastern seat. That's all I have on my bike. It's very good. So yeah, my bike check.